Hey guys, this is the Football Tricksters. Today we're doing the WoodWork challenge.
If you don't know what that is, you have to do every bit of the woodwork. Let's go. And we got Finn!
Oh, that's close. Okay. That was so close. No, yeah. That's it.
Oh,
Yeah, that hit.
That hit. That's it.
Oh. Oh my god,
That made me hit both. Don't put that on. That's it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna lose. Word.
WoodWork challenge.
No. Early push.
Oh, oh, that's it. Got it.
I will go on, mate. Go on. The lucky. Oh, it's not unlucky for you, is it?
Oh,
Yeah, but it's not
he's hit the post. Finn's got a post.
I have Josh's in contact.
Yeah. Oh, he's done it. Oh, that is so close.
That's,
maybe not.
no.
It's a bit wide.
Oh, it's that ball.
Imagine it.
No! Oh no.
Yeah!
He hit it.
Finally! Oh no.
Oh, he's done it!
Because we won on the same round, we have to hit the crossbar first just to see who actually the winner is. Oh my, that's why I didn't... Oh! Finish it.
Yeah! I